Namaskar. This is Ranjan Nulia. I'll be posting some videos regarding health and fitness. This is my first video. To tell you about something about myself, I'm a martial artist. I have black belt in 3 different disciplines. To know more about it, you can check the description below. And please check the disclaimer as well. So today I'll be teaching you some flexibility exercises which will help you in keeping your body nimble and fit. I can't stress more on this that if you have any medical issues, health issues, then please consult your physician before going ahead and doing these exercises. So starting with some basic things such as while doing any exercises, keep your feet, both your feet in such a way that your fingers are pointing ahead, and take a strong grip of the ground as well. And in the first exercises, this will strengthen your shoulder muscles as well as relax the tension around your shoulder joints and muscles. Keep your body straight and always exhale out while you do the movement, and keep your breathing normally. So in the first exercises, you have to hold your arms straight like this, and then do in an anti-clockwise movement, do with an exhale. 2, 3, 4. Always make a complete rotation of your arms. 5. Now in the clockwise direction. 2nd exercise, wherein it will strengthen your waist muscles. Keep your body square and keep your hands in this position on the left side, and then don't jerk your body, in an easy and relaxed manner with an exhale. Practice. 1. Keep your body straight all the time so that you feel a tension around your waist muscles. 2, 3, 4, exhale out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the 3rd exercise, known as Tiger Step. This exercise will not only increase your flexibility but also strengthen your hamstring muscles. So on the left side, in an easy and relaxed manner, go, keeping your body straight and chin up all the time. Breathe out. Right side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, keeping your legs as wide as possible. Always be mindful of your feet position. Fingers are pointing ahead. Take a firm grip of the ground. And now go down. This exercise will stretch your glute muscles, hamstrings. Always keep your knees straight throughout this exercise. Go down. Keep your palms on your calf muscles and gently press yourself down. Always keep your body straight and your head and neck straight as well. 1, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come up. Keep your feet a little closer. Fingers pointing ahead. Body straight. This will again stretch the glute muscles, hamstrings and knees. Go down and press yourself inside as much as you can without straining yourself. Just nice and easy. And then this exercise will also strengthen your lung muscles, which will help in respiration. 2. Push yourself back by holding your palms facing down on your back. 3, 4, 5, exhale, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the last exercise. This will stretch your side muscles, the lateral muscles. Hold your left hand up like this, and your right arm resting on your lower back like this. And then stretch on the right side. Keep your body straight all the time. Avoid your body falling ahead. Keep it bent sideways. 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale, 8, 9, keep your knees straight all the way, 10, that's it for the day. Do these exercises daily and tell me how it is helping you. If you like my videos, if my information was of any help to you, you could always hit the like button. If you want more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will be always be posted about my videos. And keep yourself fit and stay home, stay safe. धन्यवाद.